Let's begin with our top focus story. The Supreme Court is now set to hear the Central Bureau of Investigation's challenge against the suspension of life sentence that was handed to expelled BJP leader Kuldeep Singh Sengar in the 2017 Unnao rape case. The matter, which has drawn national attention for years now, has returned to the spotlight when the Delhi High Court granted bail to Sengar and also suspended his sentence. Unnao rape survivor now is demanding justice, and all eyes are on the Supreme Court at the moment.
Supreme Court of India is all set to hear the CBI's appeal in Unnao case, and ahead of that, security has been tightened here. Delhi police personnel from RAF have been deployed at both gates of Supreme Court. One gate has been shut. You see, this gate is usually open to people who are litigants or who are members of the public. This gate has been shut, only one gate is open, and there is deployment of security personnel at both gates. There's also a public address system here which has been placed so that if required, there can be announcements made by the security forces. Now, why is all of this being done? Because over the last few days, ever since the Delhi High Court has given an order in favor of Kuldeep Singh Sengar, multiple protests have broken out at India Gate, at Jantar Mantar. There have been attempts to even go inside Delhi High Court by protesters. They reached CBI as well. So their contention, those who are wanting justice for the Unnao survivor, their contention is that the High Court has erred in giving the suspension of sentence order in favor of Kuldeep Singh Sengar. There is a possibility that the activists could reach Supreme Court as well, and therefore the forces, the Delhi police does not want to take any chances, hence the security bandobast. As the Supreme Court hears CBI's appeal inside, outside too, security bandobast is trying to ensure that nothing untoward happens here.